Hi, welcome to Varaj Creations. Today we shall be discussing on Sadguru Sri Devendranath Maharaj. Sadguru Sri Devendranath Maharaj was a renowned yogi of the Navnath Sampraday. Sadguru Sri Devendranath Maharaj was a great Siddh yogi of the Kali Yuga. He was born on June 16, 1917, in Pali village of Raigad district, Maharashtra. He was an architect by profession but was humble and disciplined despite his higher education. While working in Mumbai, he met Sri Mukherjee, a devotee of Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Impressed by Sri Mukherjee's miracles, Sadguru Sri Devendranath sought a guru mantra from him. Mukherjee revealed that a great guru would soon appear who would guide him to perform even greater miracles. This prophecy came true when he received the Guru mantra and the name, Devendranath, from Sri Raghavendra Swami in Andhra Pradesh. In Sadguru Sri Devendranath Maharaj's household, Nath Puja and recitation of religious texts were performed by ancestors, hence the influence of the Nath sect was upon him. Once, when he went to Madhi for the darshan of Chaitanya Kanifnathji gave him a direct darshan. He said that he had been waiting for him for many years. He mentioned the disorder in this temple and the shortcomings in the worship. He also said that you should do Jeev Brahma Seva here. Maharaj understood that Madhi was his karma bhumi and he started his work from here. Sadguru Sri Devendranath Maharaj, one of the Hindu saints, is a disciple of the Navnath Sampraday. His original name is Vijaykumar Sakharam Shule and his initiation name is Devendranath, who is more popularly known as Shule Baba among the local people. He was more active in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. Sadguru Sri Devendranath Maharaj was a blend of modernity and spirituality. Sadguru Sri Devendranath Maharaj prepared the Nav Dhyan Yoga camp, which is believed to help in rapid progress to achieve Nirvikalpa Samadhi in a relatively short time. This technique involves 9 simple steps. On July 6, 1974, Sadguru Sri Devendranath Maharaj established the Nathpanthi Dvatadvait Peeth and guided his followers through Hatha Yoga camps and Alakh Niranjan, teaching them about Jeev Brahma Seva and spiritual progress. He performed the Shiv Yag in Madhi, which is believed to have not been performed by anyone after Gurudev Matsyendranath, the founder of the Nath sect. He started the Alakh Niranjan magazine, which was a medium to impart knowledge to the true seekers of divinity. In his last days, he was blessed with the Samarasi Siddhi, which is the highest state of Siddhi in the Nath sect. He took Samadhi on May 3, 1982. His Samadhi temple is located near the Kanifnath temple on Mayur Tekadi in Madhi. His followers have built a beautiful ashram which can be easily seen from the Sri Kanifnath temple. They used to perform rituals on every Amavasya at the Madhi Tirtha under the able guidance of Peethadhipati Sri Khagendranathji.